Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is the NewzBeat presented to you by ladies like. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Kigali is a rapidly growing city with over just 1 million residents and is widely regarded as the cleanest city on the African continent. And after banning plastic bags and promoting anti-littering habits among its population, Rwanda's administration has managed to create an environmental conscious nation. In a bid to promote a healthy lifestyle for its residents in Kigali, a car-free day was introduced by the city authority to encourage people walk, jog and ride bicycles to the city and to have mass sports and exercise for the urban community. A voluntary checkup was also conducted at the allocated bases in an event that will now take place on a monthly basis. Reports indicate that non-communicable diseases are now on the rise in Rwanda. Diseases like diabetes and pressure are now the highest among city dwellers. So, Kigali City Council with Rwanda Biometrical Center support are working together to promote green transport. On August 2015, Kigali City Center became a car-free zone with special service vehicles like ambulances as the only exception. The city authority banned cars and minibuses in the city center, only allowing pedestrians and bicycles to enter. Rwanda's administration plans to connect all suburbs with tarmac and drainage in Kigali and then build 6 more secondary cities across the country. The main objective of Rwanda's authorities is to create urban and pedestrian-friendly green cities. Issues about the cigarette smoking bill are still going on. Our reporter Russ Judd is here with the details.
Tobacco is one of the most profitable industries for farmers and manufacturers in most countries. But smoking in public has been debated for years between smokers, non-smokers and suppliers. Last year, Uganda passed the Tobacco Control Act and on May 19, 2016, it was enacted. In November, the entire law will be implemented, a win for the public that left suppliers devastated under the law. Buying cigarettes for the underage is prohibited, so is selling tobacco or smoking near public places, including public vehicles and indoor public spaces. People found smoking within 50 feet of public facility will serve 5 months in jail or pay 200,000 as a fee. Since the early 2000s, Ugandans have been lobbying against cigarette because of the side effects of smoking. The government had the non-smokers plea and the law was eventually passed, but not without a fight. British American Tobacco fought back against the law and was accused of blackmail against MP Chris Baryomunsi, who fronted the bill. BAT wrote that they would not do business with 700 farmers who are his constituents. Baryomunsi was not convinced of their arguments and knew it was blackmail trying to prevent a law which has been successfully passed into effect. I'm Russ Judd reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, Russ Judd, for that report. Barakista Margaret from Burundi won a big prize. Our reporter MC Loy is here with the details.
The Aurora Prize for Awakening Humanity recognizes exceptional individuals preserving human life in the face of adversity. Burundi's Margaret Barankisa was the first winner of the prize and was recognized for risking her own life to save thousands of lives during Burundi's civil war, which started in 1993 and lasted for over a decade. Barankisa managed to save about 30,000 children in a war that left over 300,000 people dead. After the war, she set up a mission at a Catholic diocese where she was unemployed to take care of refugees. She later opened up a shelter called the Maison Shalom and created an environment where both Tutsi and Hutus felt at home. Barankise also opened up a medical facility called Rema Hospital, which has treated over 80,000 patients since the end of the country's civil war. However, as an outspoken critic of Burundi's President Pierre Nkurunziza, she feared for her life and she was forced to flee to the neighboring Rwanda, where she continues to run Maison Shalom with an added mission of caring for children offered by AIDS in the region. Margaret Barankise won a $1 million grant to be donated to a charity of her choice. For her efforts and extreme violence to lend more than her voice, the Aurora Awards co-chair and Hollywood actor George Clooney also handed the former school teacher of $100,000 in prize money. The ceremony was also held in remembrance of the 1915 to 1917 genocide in Armenia, where the Ottoman forces massacred an estimated 1.5 million Armenian Christians, which is widely regarded as the first genocide of the 1st century by many historians. I'm MC Loy reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, MC Loy, for that report. The dream of uniting Africa is as old as the continent, but history has shown that unity is far from imminent. Even the East African community has suffered countless setbacks. Even if it's good for our economy, it always lacks of kickbacks. The railroad project is going slow, and you're still not free to work as you go. The problem is the same all over Africa, and only Seychelles has freed all visiting Africans from requiring a visa. The African Union has set eyes on a dream to abolish visa requirements by 2018. Even if the threat of terrorism is looming all over the nation, Rwanda has agreed with the lofty objective: no more visa for Africans. That's their new directive. To bring investors and tourists, that's all the country needs. And while some still resist, Rwanda is ready to take the lead. Even the biggest dream starts with a small step, and Rwanda, despite its size, has taken a leap ahead. Kigali now removed cars from the city on Sundays and given free internet to all Kigali citizens. Even though Rwandese still come to Kampala for a good party, there are many things we can learn from our neighbor country. That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.